In this video of Bezi 101, we'll cover designing with precision in Bezi. This includes tools like grid, snapping, measure tool, and the alignment and distribution tool. Let's start with grid, snapping, and units as they're grouped together. To access those settings, make sure that no objects are selected in your spatial canvas or your hierarchy panel. You'll find these settings in the Properties panel under Personal Settings. The grid settings allows you to switch your visible grid on different planes. The default being the horizontal XZ grid. This is useful for placing or scaling objects across the floor, and the others are vertical grids, which are useful for composing user-facing panels. Right below the grids is the snap setting. When activated, objects snap according to the increments or to the grid based on the project's units. To change the scale of units within your scene, you can do so right below from meters to other smaller units, or to inches and feet. Let's now switch to the measure tool. This tool is useful for visually measuring spaces within objects quickly. This is useful if you want to confirm the space between two objects. Finally, let's talk about the alignment and distribution tool. To access these tools, select two or more objects on the spatial canvas. This will reveal these options at the top of the Properties panel. The alignment tool works based on your current view in the spatial canvas. To help you understand how the objects align on the canvas, visual aids appear in context. If you want to align objects, make sure you rotate your view of the canvas either with the view cube on the top right or by holding Alt on PC or Option on Mac, or the right-click button as you drag your mouse around. To start using alignment, the tool provides various alignment properties. The options allow you to align objects along the top, middle, bottom, left, center, and right based on the current view. To distribute objects evenly, click the last icon in the Alignment Properties panel to reveal a pop-out. This feature spaces out the selected objects evenly between the furthest part on either side of the selection. Grid, snapping, units, measuring, and alignment are tools that you as the designer can use to create precision work that accurately scales to the human experience. As we continue on Bezi 101, we'll continue covering more features that will help you on your journey to learn 3D design. See you on the next video.